So the time has come to fix the fender here. Now that we have a full suspension refresh and there is no longer rubbing from the tires, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this. So the first thing we're gonna do here is heat up the fender with the heat gun so that we don't damage the paint more than it already is as we start bending the metal. So we're not gonna put too much heat on it. We're just gonna heat it up enough so that it is hot to the touch. Hopefully it won't take too long. And then we're gonna start bending. And for this, you can pretty much take anything you can get some leverage on. I'm using a rubber mallet because I don't want to use anything hard, and I've actually done this before successfully, so I'm gonna try it one more time now. So I'm just gonna start pushing little by little from both sides. Add a little bit more heat on it, perhaps make the metal a little softer. It's important here, just take your time and bend the metal little by little. And that is already looking much better. So now that we have the fender fixed, here's another task I had on my to-do list for quite some time. As you can see here, the front valance is pretty much loose, and every time I take the car out for a ride, this kind of falls and looks pretty bad. It's just annoying, so I'm gonna take care of that. If you can see here, see if I can get the camera. This was previously attached with some double-sided tape, so I'm gonna be sort of drilling a bit of a hole on this tab right here and through the body right underneath the this bumper cover here, so I can put a little screw and hopefully that'll do it. So I'll start by removing the tape that was in here before. Try to line up the valance here where I want it. I think it's gonna be right around here. Figure out where the plate is going to be. All right. Looks like we're finally through the body, which is the first piece. Now we just have to go through the valance. And let me show you what that looks like on the other side. You can see the little hole came through here. So now we just need to push this up, get it to line up, and go and put the screw. And there's a little hole right there. That's not going anywhere. It's exactly what I wanted. And we got the other side pretty much in there too, not going anywhere. And I almost forgot, remember the ugly front plate holes? Guess what? Finally covered the holes. Ended up getting a plate because I could not find a filler for the old style bumper, but it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Alright, so let's take a quick ride. Make sure the valance stays in place.